Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today, I'm gonna show you how versatile this Camp Chef grill is, and we're gonna do some chicken fajita tacos. You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how they come out. Check it out. So let's go ahead and get this show on the road, guys. I got me roughly a little bit over, I don't know, 3 pounds of chicken breast, and we're gonna take these chicken breasts out of their packaging here. I got these over at my local grocery store, and we're gonna cut these up, get them seasoned up. That way, this chicken's still kind of frozen. It'd be all right. We're gonna season it up anyway. Let me get this out of here. I got it on my nice board, and yeah, they're just about thawed out. There we go. And look at that. Ain't that a gorgeous looking piece of chicken breast right there? And I'm gonna get these cut up and I'm gonna get them put on the Camp Chef, and we're gonna make some fajitas today, some chicken fajitas. And if you haven't been to my website yet, guys, check it out right here. I'm gonna put it down here, jpbbq.com. You guys go out there and check it out. It's where I keep all my rubs and sauces, and it's how I help support this channel, this cooking channel that I enjoy so much. So let me get this cut up. Let's see what it looks like. So we'll get one of these. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice little strip, just cut perfect. So let me get these pieces of chicken cut up, and we're gonna see how this chicken takes on this seasoning. All right, there we go. There's those pieces right there, and let me get this bad boy opened up. And I got the Camp Chef starting to heat up. I got the grill. I absolutely love this Camp Chef, and here's the reason I like it. If I want to griddle, I can griddle. Okay, and I got a full 34-inch griddle that I can fit on top of it. The other thing I like is if I got the half griddle and I can have the burner, or I can just have 2 burners, for cooking, or I can put this grill on top of it and barbecue out here outside. So that's one of the reasons why I like this Camp Chef, is because it's so versatile. So, but anyway, if you're interested in them, down in the description, I keep a list of all the items that I use on this show. You guys click on those affiliate links, and it'll take you straight to those products. And if you like it, you can purchase one, and they'll get it delivered out to you. So here's what my chicken strips look like, guys. Got them all laid out nice and thin, and it's time to put on a layer of this rub that I've been working on. So we just put a light layer on it because, we obviously want the flavor of the chicken to come through. And I got these cut up really nice. So they're going to turn out to be some nice little strips. And we're going to make some fajitas out of these. We get these bad boys flipped over. But there you go. That's what they look like. Nice little chicken strips. We're going to put on the Camp Chef, and we're gonna make some fajitas out of them. So let's go ahead and get these chicken fajitas on our grill. The color absolutely looks beautiful. Let me show you one of these chicken strips. It almost looks like a fajita mix, and I like fajitas. I think this is gonna be a nice little rub. Let's give it a try. Let's open this bad boy up and start putting these pieces of chicken. There we go. And get them cooked up nice and slow. Oh yeah, I can smell it. Smells good. And probably be easier just putting them like this by hand. There we go. And we'll get these starting to cook. We'll make sure it comes out in the camera. That way you guys get the full experience. Bunch of little chicken strips on the Camp Chef. Let me get this closed up and let them start cooking. We'll give them a little flip in just a couple seconds. Hey, let's go ahead and take a look at these chicken strips that we're making into some fajitas. Put on that seasoning of mine, and man, they look good. Let's take a look. But let me tell you, any kind of fajitas you make, they gotta have lime in it. Cut you a lime, and let's squeeze some of this juice out onto these bad boys. Here we go. Yes, sir. Just like that. Get us some nice lime juice on these chicken strips. Oh man, this lime is full of juice. Yes, sir. We'll let these bad boys cook up a little bit more, and then we're gonna make us a little taco and see what it's all about. There we go. You guys stay tuned. Time to heat up some of these corn tortillas. Look at these tortillas right there. We're just gonna put them right here, right on top of this grill. Warm them up just a little bit, and then we're gonna make us a taco. Yes, sir. I already got this side of my Camp Chef grill turned off, so I'm just keeping the meat nice and warm. And look at that beautiful color. You guys see that color right there? Man, that's taking on a very nice color. You know, these chicken strips, and we're gonna make some fajitas out of them. We'll just get them all piled up over here. There we go. And we're gonna squeeze some more lime on it. Well, that one's dried out. Let me cut me a fresh one. There we go. Let's see how this does. Yeah, there it is. Ooh, look at that. That's what you want. Nice lime juice on this chicken. Get these tortillas flipped over. And I probably got room for maybe 2 more tortillas over here. That way we can start eating. Make us a little taco, and I'll show you what it's all about. Hey guys, got some leftover black beans here. We're gonna make some refried beans out of them. So, not hard to make. Let me get this bad boy tortilla flipped over. And all you need is leftover beans and a masher. Kind of like making mashed potatoes. We're gonna mash these black beans, and we're gonna make some refried black beans and put them on these tortillas. See how they come out. Hey guys, let's go ahead and build us this taco, this fajita. So here's my chicken. I'm gonna get that. Look at that chicken. It took on a really nice little grill marks, and I may need to change the ISO on it. There we go. That way we can see it. Nice little grill marks on that chicken. Check that out, like that. That looks good. Let me get this sliced up. And first things first, we gotta put some frijolitos on here. Just a little bit. There we go. And look at that. That looks absolutely fantastic. Some refried beans. We're gonna start putting our chicken on top of it. I made this super delicious pico de gallo like I did last time. And it was just so good. Thank you, Mama. Let's get this bad boy topped off. There we go. Ooh, yes. Some cilantro, some pico de gallo. Let's see what it's all about. Here we go. Taste test. Mmm. 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 That is good. Quick, fast, easy recipe done on the Camp Chef grill with some leftover. You know, just do some chicken strips and make some chicken fajita tacos. Let me give me a bite. Mmm. Oh my gosh. The cilantro, the pico de gallo, the cilantro and the pico de gallo just right there on the end. Oh my God, it's so good. These chicken fajita tacos came out fantastic. Super delicious, super easy recipe to make. Used on my versatile Camp Chef grill. You know, absolutely love this machine. Works great. If you're interested in any of my products, guys, I'm going to put a link right here, jpbbq.com. You guys go out to the website and check it out. That's where I sell my barbecue rubs and sauces, and those are the things that help support this channel. Want to thank my viewers, you know, for watching my videos and, you know, and writing down any comments or that down below. I really appreciate you guys very much. And in addition to that, I want to thank my Patreons. I want to thank Ben Lee. I want to thank Maria Balderas, Leticia Vallejo, and Sam Santos. You guys, awesome Patreons. If you can, check out my Patreon account. I'm gonna put a link right here, and it'll be right there as well. If you like to help support this channel as well. But besides that, guys, I gotta let you guys go. I gotta make these tacos, feed the family, and I will see you guys on the next cookout. You guys take care. I love y'all.